Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create sleek geometric patterns in Canva. So here, in order to create one, you can open Canva. This is Canva PC version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. So to get started, you can click Apps, Design Essentials. So you can scroll down and try to find patterns. Create sleek geometric patterns for your design. So here you can create simple geometric patterns for your Canva projects. Use the base shape, then customize the size, variation, and color option for an eye-catching result. You can use in existing design, for example. Okay, let's try. Well, let's have one here. So you can choose the pattern, dot or square, or the shape, line shape. Here you can adjust the size and variance. You're done with that. Oh, sorry, the color also you can customize the color. You're done, you can click add to design. So this one. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Or something below. See you in the next video.